Ever catch yourself unlocking your phone for no reason? And suddenly 40 minutes are just gone? You open one notification, then another. One short video turns into 10. You say just one more, but your thumb keeps scrolling. And even when you finally put it down, your brain still feels restless and empty. If that sounds like you, you're not lazy or broken. Your brain might just be overstimulated. The truth is, in today's world, your brain has gotten too used to constant stimulation from notifications, videos, and endless scrolling. Most people don't even realize it's happening until they can't focus, can't relax, and can't enjoy normal life the same way anymore. See, people talk about dopamine like it's just the happy chemical, but it's actually the neurotransmitter behind motivation, anticipation, and craving. Every ping, like, and short video gives your brain a quick hit. Over time, these fast rewards rewire how your brain seeks pleasure. Apps and platforms are literally designed to compete for one thing: your attention. So how do you know if your brain is becoming overly dependent on stimulation? Here are the signs most people ignore. First, slow things suddenly feel incredibly difficult. Reading a book feels boring or exhausting. Studying or focusing on work drains you quickly. Even a normal conversation without checking your phone feels uncomfortable. Your mind jumps around constantly. That's because your overstimulated brain now craves fast rewards, and normal activities feel too quiet. Second, you feel a constant urge to check something: your phone, messages, notifications, likes, even when you know nothing new is there. That tiny pull might seem harmless, but it keeps your brain stuck in a checking loop. The unpredictability of rewards is exactly what makes it so addictive. Third, things you used to enjoy don't feel exciting anymore. Hobbies feel dull. Conversations lose their spark faster. Even big achievements don't hit the same. It's not that life became boring, it's that your brain got used to high stimulation. So everyday moments don't release the same dopamine anymore. Without realizing it, you chase more screen time just to avoid feeling empty. Fourth, silence feels uncomfortable the moment things get quiet. You reach for your phone, play background videos, or open another app, anything to avoid sitting with your own thoughts. Many people can't even remember the last time they experienced real silence. Finally, you keep telling yourself, just one more video, one more scroll. But it rarely stops there, because these platforms are built to keep you hooked. Here's the important part: dopamine itself isn't the enemy. The goal isn't to remove it completely. That's impossible. The real goal is balance, giving your brain a chance to slow down and reset. That might look like short screen breaks, going for a walk without your phone, sitting in silence for a few minutes, or returning to slower activities, even if they feel boring at first. Over time, your brain can readjust. Your focus improves, and normal life starts feeling enjoyable again. And look, if you're dealing with serious attention issues or any medical condition, please talk to a professional who knows your situation. This video is just about raising awareness around how constant stimulation affects everyday life. So before you scroll to the next thing, pause for a second. What's one small thing you can do today to give your brain a real break? Maybe put your phone in another room for 10 minutes, step outside, or simply let yourself feel bored for a while. You might be surprised how good it feels when your mind finally gets to breathe. If this video found you at the right time and you connected with it, hit like. Leave a comment with one sign you relate to most. And subscribe for more videos that help you understand your mind and habits in this overstimulating world. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.